ladies and gentlemen, it's my great honor and privilege to begin by welcoming His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Chairman of the International Humanitarian and Philanthropic Council. Thank you, Your Highness, for joining us and for sharing your wisdom with us. Your presence here this morning exemplifies our national commitment to promote regional and global collaboration. Your patronage of this conference is an indication of your keen interest and strong support for all initiatives that enhance our nation's participation in the regional and the global progress. My dear friends and colleagues, Abu Dhabi and the United Arab Emirates welcome you to this global conference. We are honored to host such a distinguished group of influential political, societal, economic, and business leaders. Your presence in Abu Dhabi clearly reflects the status of the United Arab Emirates as a country committed to regional and global progress and cooperation.
Esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, esteemed delegates, and fellow change makers. All of you today are here to celebrate impact. I am so honored that we have in attendance so many excellencies and highnesses from the United Arab Emirates, but even from so far as Indonesia, with the ministerial delegation of His Excellency Sandiaga Salahuddin Uno, the Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Aryo Bimo Nandito Aryo Tejo, Minister of Youth and Sports Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia, with acknowledging His Highness Sheikh Tayab bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Chairman of the International Humanitarian and Philanthropic Council, for the fantastic collaboration that we have had with your team. I join His Excellency in welcoming you all to this global conference in the dynamic city of Abu Dhabi under the theme of One Asia, One Future. As we gather here today, we recognize the immense potential that lies in our diverse continent and the pivotal role that philanthropy and social investment play in shaping our future. Today, we are welcoming more than 1,500 funders, philanthropists, social investors, policymakers, and change makers for our 11th AVPN Global Conference. Together, we are architects of change and catalysts for progress. Someone asked me, what is Asian philanthropy? Asian philanthropy is not merely a transactional act of giving. It is a powerful force for positive change. It is deeply rooted in our shared values of compassion, of empathy, and of community. It encompasses a wide variety of activities, from traditional charitable donations to innovative social investments, which are aimed at addressing the most pressing issues that face our region today. The importance of philanthropy and social investment cannot be overstated. As His Excellency pointed out, we are confronted with complex issues such as poverty, inequality, climate change, and healthcare disparities, which require collaborative and sustainable solutions. If we look at the UNESCO report, the latest report on SDGs in the Asia-Pacific region, I'm sorry to say that the region will not meet any of the SDG goals by 2030. That is why a convening like this one is so important. Each each and every one of us is united in our goal to forge a future where prosperity and well-being are not reserved for a selected few, but actually accessible to all. But why is it crucial for players across Asia, from West, North, East and South, to come together to engage in discussions about philanthropy and impact investment? The answer lies in our interconnectedness. In discussing the importance of philanthropy and social investment in building an inclusive and sustainable Asia, it is very crucial to include West Asia in the conversation. West Asia occupies a very important geopolitical position, serving as a bridge between Asia, Africa and Europe. Its strategic location and abundant natural resources make it a key player in global affairs. And Abu Dhabi has a rich tradition of philanthropy which is deeply rooted in its cultural and religious heritage. Philanthropists and social innovators in Asia are motivated by their values, by their beliefs, by their morals and by their principles, and they are emerging as powerful forces for change. In today's morning plenary, we will unpack our latest preliminary insights in how values and beliefs shape giving in Asia, which aims to break down silos and accelerate impact across Asia. Building with last year's success with our inaugural Impact Investing Day, this year we will continue to dedicate an entire day to impact investing. I urge you to join us tomorrow as well to listen to insights across the globe and from Asian investors, specifically through the lens of blended finance, impact measurement and management, and the use of technology in harnessing impact.
Where each individual here vibrates on a special frequency, brimming with love and gratitude. You all come from different backgrounds, different expertise, from investors, leaders in corporations, policymakers, consultants, researchers, entrepreneurs, social workers from all around the world, working for impact. But you are all philanthropists. This enlightens me because we are blessed to be in the United Arab Emirates, where serving each other is our force, and where love is the attribute of this country's heart. In the UAE's dictionary, philanthropy means acts of service, because serving is love. And it is our founding father, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan's legacy. His lens was that service is every moment that elevates the human experience, including all the small things that make life shine. Our leadership and our community and our families do not say, how may I help? Or how can I help? Or how can I give? They don't say, how can I fix? Rather, the word you will hear in this country is, how can I serve? We were taught at a young age, the UAE serves. We serve our families, we serve our community, we serve society, we serve country, we serve the world, and we serve humanity. And you might say, well, serving, giving, helping, fixing are similar. This may be true if you are watching it from the outside, but the inner experience is very different. The outcome is also very different. Our service serves us as well as others.